Hello, I'm here to introduce you to the Chemwatch Emergency Response Solution. No need to run out aimlessly in emergency. Chemwatch Cops got you covered 24/7. Chemwatch provides an integrated solution to help organizations manage chemical incidents and improve emergency response. The system includes our Chemical Incident Advisory, which automatically generates emergency response guidance using key data extracted from over 150 million supplier safety data sheets. Guidance is captured in a series of numbered instructions which are easily transmitted by email or phone directly to responders even where line of sight communication is compromised. These instructions are available in up to 171 languages. Online translators are available to respond to each of these languages around the clock, engaging simultaneously in three-way conversation with our expert response teams.
We will come rushing to your assistance no matter what villains stand in your ways or what pending disasters confront you. Make no song or dance about it. Chemwatch Cops are at your service in all circumstances.
And that, my friends, is how the case was cracked.
We are the Chemwatch Cops, providing 24/7 emergency response, global support in the heat of the fray, for chemical exposures that come your way. No nonsense, no fuss, we're the ones you can trust, delivering hope when the pipes go and burst.
From tragedy to safety, we're the fast-acting rock, guarantee protection around the clock.
It's 24/7 emergency response!
Right, that's quite enough of that. The real villains of this promotion are the good folk at Chemwatch, who frankly should be the ones behind bars, which might explain the absolutely dreadful song and dance routine you've just had to endure. Scan the QR code and talk to a Chemwatch representative.